Hi guys, good morning. Gagawa tayo ng shrimp dumplings. Since my alaga will come tonight, so gawa tayo. So itong ulo ay ating isi-separate. Gagamitin natin yan to make stocks or broth. Let us wash. You have to wash it properly. Wash properly. In a small pot, you put it this one. There you go. We'll cook that skin and head. So we have to put this cabbage. We have to cook this one properly. This is the cabbage. We cook it with the head of the shrimp. Then we have to cut it into small pieces. So ating ikakat yan. Ganito siya kapino. Yung lagay na natin dyan. 2 tablespoons turmeric, pepper, tablespoon of sesame oil, and oyster sauce, fish sauce. Okay, let's mix it. Not so, just put a little bit flour. So I just add a little bit flour, half of spoon. So this is the consistency. Argo crystal skin. So we have to prepare water because we will use that water to close. So you cannot leave the dough outside longer. So it just came from the fridge, fresh from the Chinese store. So I just put a little bit amount like this, and then we have to put here water, and like this. We can make it like this. It's already sealed. Have you seen that? It's sealed already. But if you want to make it a little bit fashionista, you can make it here. To make it lock, just rub a little bit water, and here we go. Here we go. Just like that. So it's beautiful. So if your dough is smaller, you don't have to make it like that. Just simple as that. So guys, the dumplings is a little bit patience. So you have to make at least 1 hour or 1.5 hour time for you to be able to make a yummy dumplings. Just like that. See? Don't put too much or else it will get messy around the dough. So you don't want that. Just enough amount to seal the dumplings. Ayan, ito na siya, yung aking dumplings na nagawa.